Lying sa basketball, threats of the game mo mag-decide.
San Miguel scored 55 points in the middle quarters. Pero dito, sa fourth quarter, hirap na hirap.
What a pass by Abarientos.
And again, a much better player when he is attacking inside. Up 8 after being down by this much in quarter 3.
Outside for Lassiter. They want to get it to Perez, but Marcia does not see him. They try to get it to Gilmar. They fail.
Back-to-back turnovers for San Miguel.
Which is so uncharacteristically. But this is basketball. Torres, Scotty. Ball is loose.
Could have been another 3 ball for the Gen Kings. First time they played it here in the Philippine Cup, 83-81 in San Miguel's favor. Lowest kept scoring game for the Beermen here in the Philippine Cup.
Torres provides the shield. Abarientos. Torres, shake, fake, no. And Abarientos, no. Hindi ba tumama sa ring ni Torres? Parang hindi.